UNF was established in Ankara in 2008 after years of experience in machining, casting and R&D. Our factory was established on 10,300 meters and operates in a closed area of 7,500 meters. It has aimed to meet the outsourcing needs of machining and manufacturing consultancy in the best way with its expert staff and superior machine park. Our company, which has been providing machining and consultancy services, has always attached great importance to development in terms of technology and expertise in order to meet the outsourcing needs in the most ideal way since its establishment, and has always adopted the quality perspective as a target in all fields of activity. UNF Machinery, leader of machining.